Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption on the Messenger app. This is very important video guys. You want to make sure that you follow very closely so you don't make any mistake. Let's launch the Messenger app right now. The first thing that you want to do guys is you want to click on the top left corner where you see the three straight lines. When you're at your settings, I want you to click on the gear icon. When you're at the settings of your Messenger, I want you to click on privacy and safety. Okay, follow up very closely. Now, if you scroll down to the section that is called security, the second option will be end-to-end encrypted chats. Over here, all you gotta do is to click on the option that is called security alerts. When you're over here, all you gotta do is to click this off. This is contacts keys change. Okay, this simply shows alert in chat when contact keys are changed. So essentially this will disable and will turn off end-to-end encryption in the Messenger app. This is very careful guys. I hope you follow step by step. Very important video. I cannot advise you to turn this off. You might have reasons for it. I always keep my own. This is very important. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more